hiking gear.
Is dancing with me. Linaban niya ang dress, ladies and gentlemen.
Ako pa ba?
Galing kami sa tuktok doon, no? Binaba naming naka-dress siya. Parisian.
Naka-thermal.
Oo nga, local siya dyan. Welcome to another day filled with extreme sports with Kat and Nicole. Today we are reporting from the mountains of Switzerland.
Of Grindelwald.
Grindelwald, to be specific.
Oh my God.
Well, we're not in Kansas anymore, Toto.
Before, I did this trip alone, and now, kasama ko na siya. Yung mga dilema na isip namin. Pag dito ka nakatira,
How the Carabao talaga?
nak, bili ka ng suka doon sa tindahan. Ano yun? When you wear the wrong shoes. Good luck to us. Mag-slide na lang ako dito.
You fall, I fall. Ganun ka.
Damay-damay na to.
Kung mag-sliding ka dyan, baka onward ka. Dyan ka lang, dyan ka lang.
Yan, anong gagawin natin? Zipline. Mag-zipline kami today. Siya may gusto niyan.
Ikaw may gusto na bike things.
Okay, so this time, we are going to go down the mountain on a bike. Kung yung trip ni Kat zipline, ito naman yung trip ko. So,
Pero nag-enjoy ko naman ng zipline.
definitely, we're alive, so I enjoyed that. We are little daredevils today. Went all the way on top. Now we're going down manually.